In this video, I will show you how to fix Canva not downloading files issue. So before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources to share with our viewers. So to get started, the first thing that you can do is to go ahead and refresh or restart. Close Canva and your browser completely and then reopen and try again. Canva project won't download, stop failed downloads, and show how simply restarting Canva or switching browsers can resolve the issue. Another thing you can do is to go ahead and check your internet connection. So on your taskbar, go ahead and click on your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can interrupt downloads. So you need to check if there is an internet connection into the Wi-Fi to where you're currently connected to. So try rebooting your router or switching to a different network if issue persists. And the last option that you have to resolve the problem is to go ahead and clear browser cache and cookies. So to do that, click on this three dots at the top right of your screen, and then from here, click on this delete browsing data button. So this will take you here, and then from here, go ahead and click on advanced and then set it to all time. Cache data can cause glitches. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then reload Canva. And that's basically how you can fix Canva not downloading files issue. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources to share with our viewers.